Hello and welcome to another Miss Alley Cat DIY video. Today I have a pretty darn large Dollar Tree haul to show you, so let's jump right in. So I did pick up a couple more of those little shadow boxes. This one says keep it simple. I've already got the one that says enjoy the little things, and I just absolutely fell in love with it. It's hanging by my computer and I just love it. And so I did pick up these two designs. I think they're so cute and they're great just the way that they are, or I might do some kind of a DIY with one of them or both, not sure, but so happy to figure that out. I think it's a pretty darn good steal for $1 to get something like this. So yeah, super excited about these frames. I finally picked up a couple of the bamboo cutting boards that Dollar Tree has by Cooking Concepts. One of them I have a DIY in mind for, and the other one I bought because it was the last one my store had, and these are just so beautiful and great for DIYing. Not sure what I'm going to do with the other one, but I couldn't pass it up. I don't want my store to not have them. I'm not sure if they're going to get them back in stock, so yeah, I did go ahead and picked up two of these cutting boards. I've been wanting to get some pins from Dollar Tree for quite some time now, and for whatever reason I just haven't. But today I did get this pack of 8 pins. You get 4 different colors, 2 of each of the colors, and they do write pretty darn great, especially considering that they are $1. Now, because I just got them, I don't know how long they will last, but I think that they're pretty good. I'm really happy with the quality of them and the fact that I get so many, because I will be using these mostly at my work and I go through pins like crazy. Now the orange color wasn't like a pure orange, it was a little bit darker, almost like it was mixed with a regular ballpoint pen black color, but I still think it's really pretty and awesome for $1. This next item I got is this little 24-piece puzzle. It's by Crayola and it says it's for ages 3+. It is the size 8 by 10 inches. Now I didn't get this for its normal intended use. I got it for a DIY actually. I know, shocker, but I also got it because it is on cardboard, so the puzzle pieces will be a little bit like embossed, kind of indented on my project. You'll have to wait and stay tuned for what I do with this puzzle. But yeah, I'm super excited about it, and if you were getting this for someone you know, I think it's absolutely adorable. I don't know how much this would be at Walmart or somewhere else, but I think it's pretty darn great for $1. Okay, so I've seen other people haul this twine, and so I was super excited to find it. You get 3 of these twine. It's a total of 93 feet, and you get this teal, blue, and yellow. So I thought it was super unique, and I found it in the automotive section. I love looking in that section to find unique things to use in my DIYs and just for really cool things as well. So I was super excited that I found this twine. Oh my goodness, just look at this next item. I mean, how stinking cute, precious, adorable, all the wonderful adjectives. How amazing is this little pin? It has this great big fluffy purple, in this case, ball. It is just so magnificent and it's wonderful. It just makes me feel so fancy when I'm using it, and it's so soft. Dollar Tree also had a couple other colors. They had a gray and I believe like a reddish color. I could be wrong. I don't entirely remember. I just fell in love with the purple color, and as a bonus, it writes pretty darn well. Allie from the future just popping in to say that I went to another Dollar Tree and I had to get the other colors. So I got the pink, the dark blue, and the gray. These are also so chic and beautiful. I can't wait to use these or even just have them as decor in my house. Alright, Allie from the past, take it away. I was able to find this roll-up shopping bag. They did have this in a few different designs. They had one that looked like an ice cream cone. These are so cute and very easy to open up, and then you instantly have this lightweight, very cool bag. I got this for my grandma because I thought maybe it would be useful for her to maybe take traveling. But the cool thing is it's super easy to put back into like its little case. And just in case it wasn't obvious, I do have the video on fast forward, but it is super easy to put back in its case. I just wanted to save time to show you that. I'm finally trying some Valero products. I think I got this whole line of peony and pear. I'm not sure, there could be more items out there. I really don't know. But I picked up the body oil and this hand wash. They all smell so amazing. So I'm really excited to try these out. I've heard great things online. I got the shower gel. The packaging is on point. I can't wait to try them all out, and I also got some hand cream, which also smells divine. Speaking of Valero products, I got a couple more items. I got cranberry and sweet orange in the body cream and this body oil, which of course also smells divine, and I can't wait to try these out. I picked up a luggage tag for a relative. I hope they like this one. I think it's a really pretty red striped luggage tag, and I think it's cool that Dollar Tree has these. I'm not entirely sure how much luggage tags go for, but I think they're probably more than $1. So I think it's pretty cool to find it at Dollar Tree, and I didn't open up the package because I am giving it to a relative. As if I needed some more flowers, I picked up these really pretty flowers just because I thought they were pretty darn unique, with the tips being a light pink. And yeah, I thought they were really pretty with the like a cream color and then just the pink tips on the flowers. And these are just called wildflowers. I've been wanting to try Dollar Tree's socks for a while, but I'm kind of picky. I wear mostly black socks anymore. So I got this pack. You get 2 pairs, and one has like black with gray polka dots, and the other is just black with some gray stripes. So super excited to try these out. So that is it for my haul. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I hope it gave you some inspiration as to something maybe you can find at your Dollar Tree. If you did enjoy this, please feel free to pounce on that like button and hit subscribe. It really truly does mean so much to me. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more like this from me, feel free to click on that notification bell to be notified every single time I upload a new video. With that being said, this is Miss Alley Cat DIY, signing off. Bye!